Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the meat pan cover frame in the Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new meat pan cover frame. This meat pan cover frame is located in the middle of the fresh food compartment. It serves as the base for the glass shelf and supports the meat pan. The main reason to replace the meat pan cover frame is if it breaks and won't stay in place or won't allow the meat pan to slide in and out. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. I'm going to pull out the meat pan, slide it out and lift it up slightly and remove it. Next, I'm going to lift up on this glass insert. I'm going to take it out also. And now we can lift the front and the back and take out the old frame. This is the old meat pan cover frame next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, let's install the new frame in. I'm going to put it on this rear pins, and I'm going to lower down. Make sure it's on the place. Next, we're going to put the glass. First, going to install the back of this glass, and then lower down. I'm going to hold it and support it from the underneath. And the meat pan is going next. I'm going to slide it on and push it back. And now when we're done, we're going to close the fresh food door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.